Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever turned on your PC and instead of Windows loading, you suddenly get a message like security boot fail? No Windows, no login, nothing. At that moment, it honestly feels like your system is gone. But here's the truth, your PC is completely fine and this problem is fixable. In this video, I will walk you through exactly what's causing this error and how to fix it step by step. So let's get started. Before fixing it, let's quickly understand what's going wrong. Secure boot is basically a protection system inside your BIOS. It only allows trusted operating systems to start. Now the problem happens when the trust breaks, and that usually happens because sometimes this error shows up because your BIOS settings got reset. This can happen after a Windows update, a sudden power cut, or even a battery issue. And your system quietly changes important boot settings without you realizing it. Another common reason is related to secure boot keys. Your system stores special digital keys to verify that Windows is trusted. If those keys get deleted, corrupted, or don't match properly anymore, your PC simply refuses to recognize the system. There's also something called a UEFI and legacy mismatch. This is actually one of the biggest causes. If Windows was installed in one mode but your BIOS is set to another, Secure Boot won't allow the systems to start at all. And sometimes, even a normal Windows update can mess things up in the background. It might change boot configurations silently, and once things go out of sync, this error starts appearing. Let's start with the easiest solution. First, you need to restart your PC. To do this, press Alt, Ctrl and Delete keys simultaneously. And then enter BIOS. Usually by pressing F2, Delete, Escape or F10. Once you are inside, go to Boot or Security section. Now find Secure Boot. Disable it. Now press F10 to save changes and then restart. If your system boots now, great. That means the issue is definitely related to secure boot configuration. Now this is where most people go wrong. Go back into BIOS again and check this setting. Boot mode. Make sure it is set to UEFI. If it is set to legacy or CSM, change it to UEFI. Because secure boot only works with UEFI. If both don't match, your system will block Windows. Now let's fix the main issue. Inside BIOS, go to Secure Boot Settings. Now look for options like Restore Secure Boot to Factory Default or something similar. Select that option and confirm. What this does is reset the trusted system so your PC can recognize Windows again. Note, just be careful here. Don't click anything like delete all keys or clear secure boot keys. That can make things worse if you don't know how to restore them manually. If the error still doesn't go away, try this. Inside BIOS, go to Security tab and look for Add Trusted File or select UEFI file. Now press Enter to open it. Now open your Windows drive. Then go to EFI. After that, go to Microsoft. Then boot. Now select this file, bootmgfw.efi. This is the official Windows boot file. Now you need to provide a name for the boot entry, which will saved as the primary boot order. For example, I am naming it Windows Boot Manager. Now confirm it and save changes. This step is basically tells your system this file is safe. Allow it to boot. If things are still not working, do a full reset. Just go inside BIOS and press F9 to load default settings. Then save and exit. This will instantly remove any incorrect and misconfigured settings that might be causing the issue. Now as you can see, our PC is back to normal. And if the issue still isn't fixed, you might need to recreate the UEFI partition. If you are not sure how to do that, don't worry. You can check out our step-by-step video on this channel. So yeah, that's how you can fix the security boot fail error step by step. So that's it for today. If this tutorial helped you, then don't forget to like and share the video. And if you are new here, then make sure to subscribe my channel. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.